Hey guys, it's Danny here and we're going to be making some easy peasy butter chicken in my favorite product of all time, the microwave pressure cooker. Now as you can see, this is one of the first items I got in my kit. So as you can see, it is well used. It has monkeys going crazy in the background. It has been lent out to people. It has been here, there and everywhere, and it gets used all the time. I love my pressure cooker. So I've done things like risottos, chocolate cell saucing puddings, butter chicken, curries, casseroles, everything. Roast chicken. I've done a roast chicken in this. It is crazy. Roast chicken in 30 minutes. Seriously, has to be seen to be believed. Now, it is the safest pressure cooker on the market. It has the double locking system. So one lock here and twist to lock, and then it comes off. It's got some safety features like our little soldier who stands up. See how you can stand him up and pushing him from underneath. So that's a pressure indicator. You've got your pressure release valve here as well. So that also releases some pressure. Now, if it does get too pressurized or you've got your microwave wattage too high or anything like that, it is really safe because this valve here will just pop right out, okay? So it's not going to explode in your microwave and it is really safe. Now, it is a bit of a pain to get that one back in, but make sure when you are washing it, you can take all these bits and pieces out. Just make sure you pop them back in or else it's not going to work. We've also got this little duvalacky here, little arm that comes out, and there is a little pressure valve in there as well. Now this one here is very important because this is the one that tells us when it is still pressurized, if we do accidentally open it, that it will give us a little steam warning and shoot some steam out to the side. So we twist it down so it's got some arrows on the lid and some arrows on the base. So just here, and then what you do is line up your arrows, it'll drop down, twist and lock. All right, so that is in the lock position and it is safe. Now around here is metal, and there is also metal in the lid, so it has actually got a bit of weight to it. Now down the bottom there isn't metal, which means it is a true pressure cooker. So what it will do, the microwaves will bounce off this back to the side, send it to the base, and it will truly pressurize. So from the base up, and that's what makes it a pressure cooker. Oh, Lauren's here. Hi guys. Lauren's my bubble. Oh, scared me. So really safe to use. Absolutely love it. It is my favorite product to use. So today we're going to be making an easy butter chicken. So I did have some frozen chicken. I have defrosted that in my jug because we can't do it in our microwave, in our freezer keepers. So I'm going to grab my next jug out because I've got two, and in this jug we're going to be putting, so we've got 4 chicken thighs cut into chunks, that's gone straight in. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon, teaspoon of coriander, ground cumin. So in my spice containers here, I've got some ground cumin. So I love these because what you can actually do is use your little spoons in here and then level it off. So use the top there just to level that off. See? Perfect. Lovely time. All right, so I'm going to go 1 of them. Actually, I should have put it into my jug. That's why I pulled my jug out, but that's okay. We'll keep that one clean. We're going to go ground coriander. So again, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. So as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's pretty full there. And then just wipe it off and perfectly level every time. That one. And then we've got some garam masala. I can't say it. Garam masala, whatever it is. Which we're going to do the same. Just 1 level teaspoon. If you do like it a bit more spicy, you can put a little bit extra in. Let's just pop a little bit extra in. Then we're going to go 1 cup of passata. So I've got my measuring cups here. 1 cup is the big one. Now this one from Coles is it's a bit runny. I prefer to use the one from Aldi. So I'm only going to use 3/4 of a cup because the last time it sort of came out a bit runny. But you can use some corn flour. That's one. Thanks, Lauren. See, Lauren came right at the right time. Corn flour to thicken it up if it does need it. But I recommend grabbing the passata from Aldi. All right, and we're also going to do 1 cup of thickened cream. So, funny story actually, I was a bit lazy last time I used my cream and didn't pop it into a Clearmate. So this was my second one. I actually had a cream sitting in the fridge that wasn't to go off till the 19th. Today's on the 16th. I opened it and it was disgusting. So Clearmates. Pop it in your Clearmates, and I could have used that one instead. All right, so we're going to go 1 cup. And again, now, this is where I want to show you how awesome our amazing spatula is. So as you can see, cream and sauce in there. And then we're just going to tip that out. And I'm going to show you guys how amazing this gets everything out. Look at that. How cool is that? So the bottom's a bit hard to get, but look at that. How cool is that? Just right around the edge, and it just gets it all off. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so, and then we're also going to go 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. So I'm going to pop that into a Clearmate this time, that cream. And then 1 tablespoon. Monkey, you're going to tell Auntie Lauren how naughty you've been this morning? Yes, very naughty monkey today. 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. So the sugar actually just takes out some acidity of the tomato. So definitely need that sugar in there. It just sweetens it up. So why not? I'm not sweet enough, so I'll put a little bit extra. And Lauren's here, so she's not sweet enough either. Oh, yeah, monkey's sucking up to Auntie Lauren now. Now, I can tell you, if you don't have a pressure cooker, this should be on your wish list because it is absolutely amazing. I love, love, love the pressure cooker. So let us know what product you don't have that is on your wish list, or a product you do have that you want more of, like modular mates, freezer keepers, vent smarts, Clearmates, whatever it may be. Let us know what is on your wish list. Okay, so that's just giving that a quick mix through. And then I'm just going to put I'm going to pop that in the cup so it doesn't drip everywhere. Pop your lid on, so double lock, drop it down, lock it round, and lock it in. This is going to go into the microwave for 20 minutes at 900 watts, and serve it with some naan bread. Seriously, quick and easy butter chicken. It is so yummy, and you will absolutely love it. All right, guys, I'm going to pop this into the microwave. Lauren's here. We're going to have some lunch, and we will see you guys later. Bye.